In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a voiceover to any video of your choice in Canva in few minutes. So you want to watch this video till the very end. My name is Patrick, and if you like to receive content like this, I encourage you to subscribe now. So to get started, you want to head over to Canva on your browser and come to this plus icon at the left hand corner that says Create. Click on it. That brings you here. You want to come down to the video category here, and this gives you a lot of options to choose from. Here you have landscape, mobile video, Facebook video. This landscape is for YouTube, while this mobile video is for shorts, YouTube shorts, TikTok video, or Facebook Reels, or Instagram Reels. So this other one here, Facebook video, is for long form video for Facebook. So you want to choose which one you are creating. If you want to create content for different platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, they all have the same sizes. So you don't want to create one video for this, one video for this, one video for this. If you just create one video, that size will fit all the 3 different platforms, right? But for me, I want to create video for YouTube. Here I will add a voiceover to this. So I'll click on this size here. This brings me to a blank page like this. So the first thing I want to do here is to upload the video I want to add a voiceover to. So I'll just come to upload and come to upload file. And this is my video. For your case, my locate yours. Then I'll click on open. So here's the video that I've uploaded right now, which I want to add a voiceover to. I'll just tap on it. Alright, if you look at the edge of this video, you see some white lines around the video. There are 2 ways you can actually fit in this video. You can either drag this video to the very end and you drag here to here. This is the first way. Now let me show you the second way you can do it. The second way is to right click the video, then come down to this option that says set video as background. Yeah, that is it. I hope you get the idea. Right now, there is audio in this video because I'll be practicing adding voiceover to video. So I'm about to show you how I do mine. So I want to remove the audio from this video so that I will show you from the very beginning how I do it. If you want to remove audio from any video, you can actually do that for Canva. So just come to the video, right click on it, then come to this option that says extract audio. So the audio has been extracted from the video, which is here at the bottom of the video. If you find that any of your video has noise, the kind of background noise that you do not want, or a kind of audio you do not want, you want to replace it with another audio, you can still follow the same process. Right click, then go to extract audio and you just delete it from here. Canva is actually a good tool. You can actually edit the audio, yes, say enhance voice. So, but for the purpose of this video, I just want to do a voiceover. So this audio here is a voiceover I have created when I was practicing with this video. So I'll just delete it so that I will start from the very beginning to show you how I should my. So I will hit delete. Alright, before we start creating the voiceover, you want to come down to this left hand side that says notes. Click on it. This is where you want to paste in your text so that it will be easy for you to read to the screen. As you are reading it on the screen, then the Canva is recording your body. So for me, I'll just paste in my text here. Say, have you ever wondered how to create a talking AI avatar video? No worries, because in this video, I will show you how I create this type of video for free and how you can too. The best part is you can create content like this without showing fees. Actually, I'm not just teaching you how to create an AI video. I'm just teaching you how to create a voiceover to a video. So this is the voiceover I want to read to this video. So this video is just about teaching people how to create an AI video that can talk. But that's not the purpose of this video. Purpose of this video is to show you how I create or add voiceover to a video like this. So this is where you want to paste in your tests that you want to read as voiceover. After pasting your text, you can close it if you want. It will show again. Now, one more thing you need to do before you start recording, because many people are complaining that when they start doing their recording on Canva is more recording their audio and it's more recording their camera. For me, I feel like the problem is they have not given Canva access to their camera or to their audio. So before you start recording, make sure you give Canva access to your camera and to your body. To do that, come to your browser, come to these three dots at the top right corner, then go down to settings, come to privacy and security, then scroll down to site settings. This is the site I'm using right now, which is canva.com. You want to click on it, then you see camera here. You see allow. If yours is blocked, you want to set to allow. Microphone, if here for yours is blocked, you want to set it to allow. So this is what you want to make sure of before you start recording your voiceover or your camera. Now let's go back to this interface. When I check everything, then I'm okay with it. My camera is set, my audio is set, and I'll just come to this place that says share. Then come to see all. Come over here that says present and record. Then come here that says go to studio recording. So right now, I don't want camera. I just show you an example of how you can turn yours on. I don't want camera. I just want a voice. So I will select my microphone. This is the one I'm using. Make sure you select the right microphone. And when I'm okay with that, I will click on start recording. It counts before it gets started. If you look at this right corner, you see the tests I showed you earlier where I pasted to. And that is where I want to read as voiceover to the video. Yeah, I'm going you to pause your video in case you want to take a break and resume again. And here allow you to end recording. So I want to start to read the text as my voiceover. Have you ever wondered how to create a talking AI avatar video? No worries, cause in this video, I will show you how I create this type of video for free and how you can too. The best part is we can create content like this without showing your face. So I'm done reading the text and I'll just click on end recording and wait for it to process. So I have 3 options to choose from. I can choose this card if I don't want this audio and I want to start all over again. I'll just delete it. Then yeah, save and edit. This allows me to save it to Canva and continue to use it to edit my video. Why download? If I don't want to use Canva to edit my video, I want to use other editing software like CapCut, InShot, iMovie, and I will just download this audio and take it to other editing software and continue to edit the video. But for me, I want to edit this video together with the voiceover inside Canva. So I will click on save and edit. So this is where it brings me to. Remember, we select save and edit. Let me show you here the audio save to. Come to upload again. This time, come to audio tab. This is the audio I have recorded. Now, if you look at the title, you see recording. Now, I want to drag this audio to the timeline of the video. I'll just drag it like this. Then drag it, since I know that the audio is longer than this. So this is the audio. I will play to see if this is right. Have you ever wondered how to create a talking AI avatar video? No worries, cause in this video, I will show you how I create this type of video for free and how you can too. The best part is you can create content like this. It has showing your face. So the audio is ready. This is really amazing, right? Now let me show you. If you want to edit the audio, maybe you don't want the beginning to start like this, then you can trim it like this. In the same way, if you don't want your video to start, you can see trim it like this. So this is how you edit your video, and this is how you also edit your audio. So once you are happy with everything, you want to download this video to your device and upload it to your YouTube channel. So come to this place that says share. This time, come to this download option. Make sure MP4 is selected. Then click on download. So this is how we come to the end of today's video. But before I will let you go, come closer. Let me tell you something. Many creators are worried that they don't want to use CapCut to edit their video because they say CapCut want to steal their video, CapCut want to steal their content. If you are such creator who worry about using CapCut, that CapCut want to steal your video, you are really missing that, because CapCut will not just come and steal your video. I made a detailed video explaining how to use CapCut safely. It has to worry about steal your video or steal your content. So just click on the video here right now that explains in detail how to use CapCut safely. Let's go as a creator.